In the national economic construction field, more and more outdoor explosive work was applied in open-air projects, such as metallurgy, mine, building material, railway, hydroelectricity, national defense construction, and earth moving. More and more strict quality standards of explosive work are applied because of rapid development of national economy. Drill hole explosive method has been widely applied in China. Main equipments including downhole drilling rigs, fifth wheel drive drill, hydraulic drill rig, and so on. Among them, hydraulic downhole drilling rig has been widely used in middle and small-sized mine or quarry. Because the domestic old-style drill machine has character of behind-high design, high energy consumption rate, low efficiency, and uncomfortable operation, while the imported high-performance machine are quite expensive, especially with high running cost. Hunan Sunward Intelligent Machinery aims at this situation. Based on their sophisticated research and design experience on mine equipment and profound technical foundation, they have developed Sunward Series Integrated Hydraulic Downhole Drilling Rig. Sunward completely holds independent intellectual property of the hydraulic downhole drilling rig, which adapts the situation of Chinese. Sunward Integrated Hydraulic Downhole Drilling Rig, a sort of ideal explosive drilling construction equipment, is an integration of drilling rig, compressed air supply, and dynamic system, which has the characters of deeper drilling hole, bigger diameter, and more flexibility, especially outstanding efficiency and energy saving due to separation of air compressor engine and drilling rig engine. The petrol driving, drill rod rotating and forwarding, drill rod frame uplift compensation, and drill rig adjusting are all driven by hydraulic system, using compressed air which supplied by screw air compressor as driver to impact rock and flush big gun hole. The air pressure ranged from 1.05 megapar to 2.5 megapar. Assembly dry laminar flow dust catcher. The drilling rig adopts Ingersoll high air pressure downhole impact equipment. Its hole chisel's diameter is 90 mm to 180 mm, and the vertical or gradient big gun hole depth range is 0 to 30 m. As the most advanced integrated hydraulic downhole drilling rig of domestic range, its high-pressure drilling system fulfills high accurate and high effective work, parts worldwide procurement, computer optimum design, and power and load adaptive system, actualize the one pump one load hole system power matching, and achieve lower energy consumption, high performance, and high reliability of machine, overcame the shortcoming of import equipment, which have high cost of purchase, expensive and long lead time of its spare parts, and not timely after-service technical support. Hereinafter, please follow me to experience Sunward downhole hydraulic drilling rig advanced construction techniques. Firstly, start the engine of hydraulic system. Then, turn on the pilot switch and switch on the pilot oil. Control pilot joystick to upright drill rod frame slowly. If arrive the new field and the drill rod frame on the level position, if the machine only removed the new drill position on the same field, then go to the next step directly. Move machine to the drill hole position and operate pilot joystick to control lift cylinder and deflect cylinder to adjust the drill frame at proper angle. Operate the pilot joystick to control compensate cylinder to drive out the drill frame. Make sure the other side support point of drill frame is on the working ground. Operate the pilot joystick to control forwarding motor. Descend drill rod slowly until the top hammer touches ground. Add pressure properly by forwarding motor. Put the rotate motor pilot joystick on clockwise position and rotate the rotor. Start the air compressor engine and turn on the drill switch and press air. Adjust dust catcher's position and turn on the dust catcher blower by operating joystick. Start a dust catcher system. Put the driver forward motor joystick on the drill rod forward position, and then start the machine to start normal drill operation. The forward motor pilot operate joystick for restoring when rotary outfit slip to the terminal of drill frame. Control joystick using forwarding engine pilot to make it to be pushed up and down in short distance. Blow away the rock dust in the hole button. Turn off the drill switch and switch off the compressed air. Lift off main drill rod properly. Enable the rotary mechanism joint and the main drill rod up connector position on the wrench drawer of up and down dismantle drill rod mechanism. Use down dismantle mechanism to fasten the main drill rod and use up dismantle mechanism to fasten the rotary mechanism joint. Then the dismantle cylinder can loosen the connecting wire between the rotary mechanism and the main drill rod. Reverse rotate the rotary mechanism to separate the rotary mechanism joint from main drill rod. Unfasten up dismantle drill rod mechanism wrench drawer. Uplift the rotary mechanism to the terminal of drill rod frame. Transportation cylinder transport the first auxiliary drill rod to where the drill rod can be placed in the gap of frame drill rod house. Operate two positions drill rod cylinder to place and orient the first auxiliary drill rod in the center of rotary mechanism exactly. Descend rotary mechanism until its joint approach auxiliary drill rod joint. Rotate clockwise slowly the rotary mechanism until screw on all whirl. Absolutely forbid to insert the rotary mechanism female joint to male joint directly. Uplift the rotary mechanism and lift auxiliary drill rod until the female joint underside auxiliary drill rod escaping from the bolt of under position frame. Withdraw position rod cylinder and make position rod mechanism back to original place. Descend auxiliary drill rod until its female joint approach main drill rod male joint. Then rotate clockwise the rotary mechanism until screw on all whirl. Loosen the down dismantle rod wrench drawer and descend the drill rod to make it reach the hole button. Operate the joystick at the forward position and rotate rotary mechanism clockwise. Start impacting hammer. The machine keep on drilling operation. Repeat the process 1 to 13 when run out of the first auxiliary drill rod and prepare assembly of the second rod, up to the hole reached to required depth. Finishing hole, withdraw the joystick of drill rod forward motor and then operate the drill rod running up and down in the hole, and stop the impact hammer after blow away the rock dust of hole bottom. After switching off the impact hammer air, uplift the drill rod and put the fourth drill rod on the wrench board and the third drill rod up wrench board on the position of dismantle equipment wrench jaw. Stop rotating the rotary mechanism. Use down dismantle equipment fasten the third drill rod and fourth drill rod fastened by up dismantle equipment. Then operate dismantle cylinder to unscrew the connecting wire between fourth and the third drill rod. Unfasten the fourth auxiliary drill rod and reverse rotate the rotary actuator to dispart the fourth auxiliary drill rod from the third, to prevent drill rod and impact hammer drop to the hole. Forbid to unfasten the down dismantle equipment wrench drawer. Uplift the fourth string rod until its underside female joint stands slightly above the bolt of under position frame. Then insert the rod frame of rod house. Ensure the fourth drill rod aim at the port and the bolt. Descend the fourth drill rod until the underside frame pin insert into female joint. Reverse rotate the rotary mechanism and separate the fourth auxiliary drill rod from rotary actuator female joint. Then uplift the rotary actuator up to its joint standard slightly above the rod. Draw back the position rod cylinder and the frame with draw rod back to original place. Then transportation cylinder send the rod into warehouse. Descend the rotary mechanism to the level that female joint approach to the third auxiliary drill rod. Then rotate clockwise the rotary mechanism and connected with the third drilling road. Repeat the process 1 to 6 until all the auxiliary drilling roads remove the roadhouse. Descend the rotary mechanism until its female joint approach the main drilling road. Clockwise rotate the rotary mechanism and fasten it with main drilling road. Loosen the wrench jaw of under dismantle mechanism and clockwise rotate the rotary mechanism. Keep on lifting drill rod until it's above ground slightly. Sunward has profound technical foundation in modern drill equipment field. Under the condition that without any reference of the assembly and main components, Sunward have developed and originated integrated hydraulic downhole drilling rig which has built up domestic playing field and up to the international advanced class. Sunward SWDB-90 integrated hydraulic drilling rig have been awarded the first prize for 900 items exhibited at 8th Beijing International Construction Machine Show and Technical Intercommunication Meeting due to its unique design layout and beautiful appearance. Sunward Integrate Hydraulic Downhole Drilling Rig has now been adopted in many big projects, such as the Jiangxi Yichun Tantalum Columbia Mine, Hubei Huaxin Cement Group, Xuzhou Julong Cement Group, Chongqing Jucheng Group, Zhongliu Xiaoyi Aluminum Mine, Baotou Dazhong Iron Ore, Ma'anshan Quarry, and the machines are well reputed by all the customers.